So because of these types of interactions, either attraction or repulsion, repelling, there is electrical energy that can be present. Electrical energy. And electrical energy, remembering back to our energy topic, energy can either be kinetic energy of things moving, or it can be potential energy, which is stored. And electrical energy is a type of potential energy because it's stored. And we can see that when we actually look at some charged particles. So if we have some positively charged objects, all in a group, and if they're right next to some negatively charged objects, then they're as close as they can get to each other. There's no forces pulling them towards each other. So in this case, there's no energy. But if we pull the positive objects away from the negative ones, the positive ones are here, and we move the negative ones further away, then we've separated the two charges, the positive charge and the negative charge. So if there's a separated charge, then just like magnets, there's a force that's going to pull the positive and negatively charged objects back together again. So because there's a force, then there's a potential for work to be done, which means there's potential energy around. And that potential energy is called electrical energy. If we let these objects go, then they would fly towards each other until they were joined together again. And we can see an example of that with a common little experiment that you might have done with a balloon. If we rub a balloon on an object, particularly something that's furry, like a cat or some clothes, then the balloon actually becomes negatively charged. And the object becomes positively charged. So in this case, the cat and all its fur is positively charged. And in the picture here, we're putting the balloon close to the cat, and the electrical energy means that the balloon is attracted to the fur of the cat. So the fur is moving upwards to try and get as close to the balloon as it can. So that's showing electrical energy in action.